Okay, so the last video was a bit dark, so I tried to make it a bit more light this time. So far I'm very pleased with the watch. The only thing I could point out is that the disc under here is a bit darker than the second hand and the minute hand. But that's the only thing so far. It feels very good on the arm. Looks nice. And here you can see under the watch. It's very nice and well done. You can see I got the number 7 of 199. And the top grade movement is also sticking there. It goes very correct. 1 second plus in average each day so far. The last time I had a video, I did an unboxing, but I forgot to show this very well made guarantee card or authenticity certificate card. It's like this. Very nice. And also I did get this for the wrong model, but that's okay. Dwiss say they will send out the new correct one afterward. Okay, so here it is. It does very good. Sits good on the hand. It's it don't look too oversized for the wrist either, so it's perfect. Okay, here it was.